Calling all spicy food lovers. Want to know how to make chicken wings so hot they'll make you dance? First things first, grab a 5 pounds bag of chicken wings. We're talking drumettes here, folks. Next, you'll need 12 ounces of Louisiana Pre-Crystal hot sauce. And don't forget 1 to 2 sticks of butter. It's all about that perfect fiery flavor. All right, let's get cooking. Fry those chicken wings until they're golden brown and crispy. Once they're done, let them chill on a paper towel to drain excess oil. Now, in a deep pan or a crock pot, mix together your hot sauce and melted butter. The butter helps tone down the heat just a smidge. Don't worry, it's still going to be spicy. Toss your fried wings into the sauce mix and heat thoroughly. Let the wings soak up that spicy goodness. Give it a few minutes and make sure everything is well coated and sizzling. And there you have it. Hot and spicy chicken wings that are sure to be a hit at any gathering. Enjoy the heat and keep some cold drinks handy. Bon appetit.